For the potato wedges, we need 4 medium-sized potatoes and we are going to cut it in wedge shape. The wedges are supposed to look like this. Put it into normal water for 2 minutes and rinse it. After that, we are going to parboil it for 7 to 8 minutes, then strain it and keep it aside. Start preheating the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now prepare the spice mix with salt, garlic, coriander, turmeric and red chili powder and some oil. Mix everything in a bowl along with the oil and add the wedges with 1 tablespoon of wheat flour and mix well. Grease a tray and put the coated wedges. Now bake it for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Serve it warm and enjoy.